pressure sensor is integrated in this glow plug and the glow plug, the faulty glow plug is number 3. Number 3 cylinder is counted from this belt, so this is number 1, number 2, number 3. I will remove that glow plug and we'll change it. I will check the Newton meters. I don't know how much torque I need to tighten it. .1 Newton meters. I reckon it's enough because it was showing 14. I have cleared the faults with my Launch X Diag, and IE told me that it must be calibrated, and I was searching for one for calibration. I haven't found it, and I decided maybe my Launch X Diag is not powerful enough, so I tried with Audis. I have reset the faults, and I was told that it requires adaptation, but I don't really see what to adapt over here. I reckon my task is finished, and the car is good to go.